Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft 365 MFA using Authenticator app step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 login page. Enter your email address and click Next. Input your password and select Sign In. Once prompted, you'll see a message indicating that additional security. Click on Set It Up Now. Choose Mobile App as your method of verification. Select Receive Notifications for verification or use verification code, depending on your preference. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed the app yet, go to the App Store or Google Play Store to download it. Once the app is open, tap on the plus icon to add an account. Choose the Work or School Account option. You will be presented with a QR code on the screen. On your mobile device, use the Authenticator app to scan the QR code. After scanning, your account will be added to the app. If you chose to receive verification codes, the app will provide one. Enter the verification code back on your computer. Once the code is accepted, you will see a confirmation message. Click Next to complete the setup process. You can now log into Microsoft 365 using your credentials and the Authenticator app for additional security. Make sure to test the setup by signing out and signing back in to confirm the multi-factor authentication is working. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.